Hi, my name is Jan Dufour and I'm independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I live just outside of Louisville, Kentucky. Today's going to be fairly quick on the card side of it because I wanted to show you the set that you get for free if you purchase $60 worth of products. It's Sale-abration time right now. So you get these really cute cards. I'm going to show them to you, one each made. I'm going to make one and you'll see how simple it is. And that is because, again, it's Sale-abration, which ends 28th of February. There's all kinds of things in here that you can get for free for a $60 purchase. There is one that you have to purchase $120 because it is a stamp set and a die. We also have our mini catalog going on. It ends the end of April. And then in the beginning of May, we're going to get a new annual catalog. So that'll be fun. All right, so here are the instructions. This is how you make the first one. This is how you make the second one. We're gonna do the second one because I have the other two done and I'll show them to you. But they're like super quick and easy. So it tells you, get the card that is got the greenish outside. And then it tells you, it folds into a card so it looks like this. And then it tells you to get a set of clouds. It tells you to get one of the medium size rainbow dots, I guess is what I'd call this. Let's see if this is where it goes. Yeah, this is the one that they want. There are a couple of sizes. Not that it would matter, you know what I mean? It's like, it'll be okay. And then you've got punch outs. This is your day. There's a couple, 4 different languages, I think. And so that's handy. And then there's also a set of these. You can use Bravo, even though it's in a different language. That'd work. But anyway, so you have all of your, there's no stamping, there's gluing. Now, generally they put this on with dimensionals, which they provide. I am not going to because the other two parts are elevated and I may mail this. So you just want to line this up so that this is about the same and the two are about the same. So it needs to shift a little bit. There we go. I like that. Let me get rid of, this. I should tell you about this. If you're on YouTube, generally I have a project sheet, which I keep on my blog. So you would need to go to stampmesilly.com. There's no project sheet because it comes with the packet. If you would like a free catalog and you don't already have a demonstrator or you have questions, you can email me at jandufour@yahoo.com. If there's anything you want to purchase, you can go to jandufour.stampinup.net. And I'll mention now, if you like what you see, check out a few of my videos. Consider subscribing. I only post once a week on Wednesdays. And I do not spam you ever. I might send you a flash sale if they have like 24-hour free shipping or something like that. So they tell you to put on 3 dimensionals. And we're going to put it is bigger than the card, which at first I thought that's weird, but it's all fine. I'll show you how it fits into the envelope. Now, this is really skinny. It will fit if you put it on exactly. I'm not that patient or care that it's cut in half because it will work just as well. So I got 1 dimensional and a half, and oops, these things end up everywhere. I complain about them every time I use them, but I love them. I think the weirdest one is I found one in my tub. I don't know. Anyway, it has this. Oh, it has yay too. I didn't even see that. Silly me. It's a lighter color. So what they're wanting is for me to put the yay. And that's how easy it is to punch it out. It's very well punched out. Very rarely, I don't even have one on there, but once in a while they'll have like a little piece of paper because of that. Just file it gently and it'll go away. I didn't actually have one on these. I was making that up, but you know, we just go with the flow. Oops, I don't even need 2. This is a one-dimensional kind of thing. And they're all essentially the same. They say different things, but they're all kind of created the same way. So the yay kind of hangs off on the side. And that is it. You are done. And look at the cute envelope. It's white, but it has these little clouds here. So it's so cool. And of course, you put your message inside. And of course, if you want to stamp something on it, you can. But as you can see, they do in fact fit. Now, let me show you quickly the other two, just so you can see them done up. This one's a Hooray, Let's Celebrate. Again, with the cute envelope. And the last one is, cheers, happy birthday. So, and again, of course, you can put anything you want on it, but this is just a simple, fast, quick way. As a matter of fact, I'm leaving the rest of them undone because I'm going to do them up with my granddaughter. She's going to be 5 this next month, and she's very crafty. So we're going to do that together. It'll be a lot of fun. The other thing I wanted to show you is I just got my samples that I purchased from Brian King. He's my up line. He creates these little booklets that are just precious. This is from the scrapbook. You know, even if you don't scrapbook, you need to look at the scrapbook brochure because look how beautiful that paper is. Look at the back and then the plaids and the little stars and the little clouds. Very pretty paper. So you don't want to miss out on that just because you think, well, I don't scrapbook. Look at these cute bees. And maybe this one, I mean, this would definitely work. All of these would work. It doesn't have to be used in scrapbooking. So very cute. Now this one is from our Spring Mini. Beautiful bokeh. Yeah, bokeh. Very pastel-y, light, flowery, not flowery, bubbly, I guess is what I want to say. But very pretty pastel colors. And then Wildflower Birthday. Sometimes you can make a card and not use anything else. But again, some cute plaids. Now this one's got I call them ephemera sheets, but you can actually cut out little note cards or sayings. But they're foiled. They're so pretty. Storybook moments. Lots of colors in this one. Also in the Spring Mini. If you buy the paper and the die cuts, you can actually cut these little bunnies out. It's so cute. And, you know, if you're not into bunnies, that's okay. There's some pretty other paper that I think would be good for backgrounds. And if you don't want to get an Easter set, this is an easy way to make Easter spring cards without having the whole stamp set and things. Also, Spring Mini, this one's called Timeless Plaid. So you're going to get all kinds of pretty plaids. Aren't those, oh gosh, I love that one. I'm kind of a green girl right now. I've had different favorite colors throughout my life. I don't know about you guys, but I went through, it started off with blue and then it, you know, migrated to browns and blacks and I don't know. I've been all over the place. All right, another Spring Mini. This one's called Friends of the Ocean. I have to be honest, I'm not a fan. I know some people who don't like sea stuff, but just love these colors. Again, not for me. It's just not colors I would use. And maybe I need to step out of my comfort zone, but not today. Floral Delight. Lots of pretty yellows. Yellow was not gone, but you know, you didn't see a lot of yellow. So I'm hoping this spring they take it back. Now these were special releases. And what that is, let me see if this one too, yeah, these three. They took paper we already had and recolored it. So they're using a different colorway on it, but it's the same art as they had before. Look at that owl flying, it's so beautiful. But anyway, so it makes it interesting. You may have had the original paper with the original colors. Shades and hues, this is cool. It reminds me of those things that you get when you're trying to figure out what paint you want. I had actually used that on a card before, so FYI, it's doable. But yeah, lots of pretty colors. There's lots of paper in this one too. I don't know how many sheets there are in here, but there's a lot of samples. So that's that. And then these are online exclusives. They may have been in a catalog. This one's got the gold foil. It's the Valentine, kind of thing. Utterly adorable, which they are utterly adorable. I did not purchase this set, but they are very cute. Little fishies swimming. If you got kids who like to swim and are in the water a lot, that would be cute. I don't know what everybody's selling all of a sudden. I thought after the Medicare thing would stop that I'd quit getting these crank calls, but I get bunches of them. Anyway, mixed media florals, very pretty. Lots of different ways you can use it. The black and whites can be fun because you can color in an odd one here or there. But anyway. And this one is Everyday Skies. This is the one that had the airplane. But again, if the airplane doesn't do it for you, look at these clouds and background papers. I mean, they're great. So those are all of the pretty papers that we have available right now. Again, I only post once a week, so consider subscribing with the notification bell so it lets you know that you have a post. And I only ever post a second one during the week is if there's a flash sale. They tell us we have free shipping or something like that. I really appreciate you coming to visit. I hope you come back. I'll see you later. Bye.